Well, sometimes timing just doesn't work out. Of course, the Pats have their first Thursday night game tomorrow night, and we have the heavy rain to deal with. So let's get you to the Patriots forecast first. Tomorrow night, 8:30 kickoff. Expect periods of heavy rain. Temperatures in the mid-60s. So one good thing about tomorrow night is that we're not going to see temperatures drop very much throughout the game. The air mass is rather humid. That will keep our temperatures in the 60s for most of the game. But certainly bring along the raincoat, the poncho. You're going to need it, especially as we go towards the halftime part of the game, even the later hours as that rain stays in the forecast. So when we talk about the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker, today and tonight we're doing just fine in terms of avoiding severe weather. Perhaps a sprinkle, that would be about it. Tomorrow, though, I'm going to put you in the moderate category, primarily due to the threat of those heavy downpours that could lead to some isolated flooding. Gusty ones also a threat because anytime you get those downpours coming out of thunderstorms, it can pull down some stronger wind gusts. But I think street flooding, the primary concern for tomorrow, especially tomorrow night. On live Pinpoint Doppler 12, tracking a few sprinkles here in Connecticut, not seeing much locally, and we'll keep away most of the sprinkles throughout today and tonight. Notice the swell starting to build a little bit here at Narragansett Town Beach. Expect this trend to continue, especially as Hurricane Gonzalo makes a close pass, or not a close pass, a pass we'll call it, towards the end of the week, close enough to continue to kick up the surf. Temperatures right now, 73 in Gloucester, 76 Coventry, 78 in Providence. Notice the coast is a little cooler because of those onshore winds. We're 73 right now in Newport. And a front approaching from the west, shown by this wall of water here, but this takes a while to get here. So although we get a few of these sprinkles out ahead of this, the core of this doesn't really pass through until we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. In fact, we can track those showers for you going hour by hour. Notice this evening a few showers and sprinkles are possible. This is around 11 p.m. Watch what happens as we go into tomorrow morning. For tomorrow morning's commute, there will likely be some light rain showers, but the real heavy stuff likely holds off until tomorrow afternoon. So it could be the evening commute tomorrow more of an issue than the morning commute. And again, some of these showers could be quite heavy all the way through tomorrow night. Your weather planner for today, not bad. Increase in clouds. We'll call it more clouds than sun, although east of Providence, especially into Bristol County, will pick up a bit of sunshine where temperatures could get into the upper 70s by around 8 o'clock. We're around 70 degrees. South coast temperatures, as I mentioned, a little cooler because of that onshore wind. And those winds will stay busy today between about 10 to 15 miles an hour with some gusts of around 20 possible. Here in northern Rhode Island, temperatures in the mid-70s, 76 Woonsocket, 75 Burville, 75 in Foster, and it will be a muggy 75 degrees. Hard to believe we're still using that word. Upper 70s here in Taunton, Massachusetts at around 78 degrees. A little cooler in Middletown with a high of 74. Here is the latest on Hurricane Gonzalo. You can see a Category 4 storm. Now, as we head into Friday, Gonzalo either goes directly over or very close to Bermuda. Also, there's a slight effect to our weather as well. Some of the moisture will feed off Gonzalo Thursday night and actually sort of join up with that system we have coming in tomorrow night. That could enhance some of the rainfall totals. That's why we could see in isolated areas rainfall totals eclipsing the 3-inch mark. As we look at our dew point forecast, I have not used this in quite a while, but quite appropriate today and tomorrow. Dew point staying at that uncomfortable level, then we drop it nicely into Friday. Dew point down to 54 degrees. A very comfortable weekend on the way as well. So in the 7-day Futurecast for tomorrow, again, 1 to 3 inches of rain possible, primarily tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. So the threat we're watching would be that localized street flooding. A little bit of lightning is possible, although most of the time we're not going to be seeing that thunder. Then on Friday, more comfortable 72 degrees. Saturday, 69, increase in clouds. However, still a pretty nice day with much lower humidity. That will be long gone by that point. And then very cool Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temperatures dipping down into the 30s in some locations, 40s in the city. 57, that will do it for a high temperature by Sunday afternoon, and then quite chilly Sunday night into Monday morning. So definitely a wet time of it as we head into tomorrow.
All right, thank you, Pete. Here's a look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning live at 5. Tracking the very latest on this breaking news in the